We were trying to use a picnic as a kind of critical cultural products that we could analyze to understand how we have been approaching to nature. We were using traditional painting in which picnic has been represented, and we were looking at how the beauty of the landscape was valued, how the group of people that gathered together were having different attitudes to the social relationship among them. We came to the conclusion that we wanted to create a picnic station. In the installation we are using two materials that are quite specific for outdoor conditions. We have board that is called Tricoya Infinitive from Finsa, and then we have SUNBRELLA textiles. Beautiful possibility to choose the specific textiles that are linked and connect with the project investigation. And in that picnic station there was going to be a collection of devices. We were trying these design devices to relate with Boisbuchet and the specificities of the local landscape. Among the goals for me there were two things that were super important. One is to prove students that they can fight for their own ideas. The second thing that for me was super important was to try to understand design, or to help the students and then helping me also, as a way of connecting with local features. Because sometimes we have this vision of ecology or environmental design that is a bit generic. But for me it's very much a process of research in which you really need to understand what socially, materially, financially things are working.